The single best thing you can do for your blood sugar, digestion, and even weight control after a meal, it's not skipping dessert, it's moving your body. Just 5 minutes can help, but 15 minutes can actually be life-changing. Today, I'm going to share the secret behind post-meal walking, how it impacts your metabolism, and why your future self will thank you for making it a daily habit. Did you know that brisk walking for 15 minutes a day can cut mortality by 20%, especially from cardiovascular causes? A new study from Vanderbilt University Medical Center found that 15 minutes of fast walking a day reduces premature deaths with notable differences across diverse populations. I'm Dr. Tammy Penhollow, a joint and spine expert. I promote walking as a great natural lubrication of joints for knee pain, hip pain, back pain, and it's low impact. So let's dive into a little bit more of the benefits of this. Why? So a study in Scientific Reports also this year showed that just 10-minute walk right after consuming glucose, so that's sugar. Think of even a piece of fruit, apple, or something that has real sugar in it, right? After glucose ingestion, reduce the 2-hour glucose area under the curve. So typically we get kind of a spike under this curve in 2 hours. But if you do this walk 10 minutes immediately post-meal, it reduces that. And that 10-minute walk outperformed 30-minute walk that started 30 minutes after the meal. So the timing is important. You eat, you walk. Multiple short bouts beat one longer walk. Another study. So for older adults who are at risk of impaired glucose tolerance, say you're in that pre-diabetic range, your hemoglobin A1C is starting to creep up there, 3 15-minute walks after meals outperformed one single 45-minute walk when you looked at 24-hour glucose control. So you can see a trend down of your A1C if you commit to this daily, 3 times a day, 3 meals. The next one, UCLA researchers found that even this 5-minute walk after eating moderates blood sugar fluctuations. So that's perfect because it slows that post-meal glucose spike and then it prevents that sudden drop. So all these things are beneficial for both heart health and metabolic health. It also boosts digestion and reduces discomfort after a meal. You know, if you just kind of sat back and go, oh my gosh, now I'm really full. I really don't feel like anything. I certainly don't want to sit on the couch and just feel that bloated feeling. So when you get out and walk, lightweight strolling 10 to 15 minutes right after a meal, you get increased GI comfort. It relieves bloating, relieves gas, aids the mobility of the gut. That works things through. You start metabolizing better. So from blood sugar to blood pressure to mood and weight management, all these things are benefiting as well as controlling appetite and supporting weight loss. So let's kind of summarize. This makes it easy. On the blood sugar control side, 5 to 15 minutes immediately, timing is crucial, post-meal significantly tames those glucose spikes. Longevity. A 15-minute brisk walk every day decreases your overall risk of dying from all causes by 20%. Weight management. Short walks flatten that insulin response. So first the glucose goes up, then the insulin response, and instead it says, let's burn some fat. Digestion. It alleviates bloating, alleviates gas, and supports that healthy gut motility, helps keep things moving through. Cardiovascular health. Improves your circulation, lowers your blood pressure, makes those vessels a little bit more compliant, less stiff, so you're more likely to have great blood vessel health. Mental well-being. Walking elevates your mood. It supports sleep, and it reduces stress. And then my favorite, it's so feasible. It's so accessible. You don't need special equipment. It's sustainable, and it can replace these sedentary habits. You just get into the habit of eat, let's walk. And immediately, final take, walking for just 5 to 15 minutes after eating is a powerful science-backed habit. Let's balance your sugar. Let's support your weight and metabolic health, improve your digestion and your gut health. Let's get these wide-reaching health benefits from heart health to mood. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Ask me any questions you have below, and thank you for joining us.
If you have knee pain and would like to learn more,
I have a worksheet called 5 Things to Do Now to Reduce Your Knee Pain Within a Week. Go to www.kneeboostnow.com to download it for free. I'd love to hear from you, so please like, subscribe, and comment below so I can help you get out of your knee pain.